There it is. Big breakout in ETH today, above $4,400. And you probably know why the price pump, right? Well, if you don't, I'll tell you very quickly, and then we'll talk about my price target. Inflation data, PPI, came in very cool, which is very good for risk assets. The expected rate here was 3.3%. And you can see, I said earlier today, anything under, I said, 𝗁𝗏GPT is my trading bot, if you don't know, 3.3, bullish for risk assets. It came in at 2.6. Incredible. Very, very bullish for risk on assets, because as inflation data cools, it allows room for the Fed to cut rates, which they're going to do anyway, but they're going to do it probably quicker and faster, thicker and faster. So let's talk about what this means for the Ethereum price. Well, I have a trade open right now. This is on 𝗏𝗏, but the chart pattern that I'm trading right now is as follows. We have a breakout, and this is why I felt obliged to make this video right now, because actually you can see the breakout is in motion. In terms of a price target, basically you've got about, I think it's about a 20% move here where the price can extend, and that actually takes you to about $5,200. If you extrapolate that, you're basically looking at the next target, about $5,200. Now, before you take a position, one thing I will say is we have spiked up and down very quickly in the last few days. So when it comes down to trading, just make sure we have a clear breakout in the chart before that happens. And the way to know that is by looking at 2 time frames for the Ethereum chart, okay? I'm gonna give you a little tip sheet here. On the daily, right? We need to get back above this 20-day moving average. At the moment, we are sitting below the 20-day moving average. And then if you go into the 4-hour chart, the other thing I would look to do is make sure we get a break above the moving averages, the ribbon. So if you go onto TradingView, or you can go on to, for example, any of the platforms that I'm trading on, like 𝗏𝗏, BitUnex, FEMX, and you've got indicators. You can use these indicators, for example, here, and they're going to show you where the moving averages are. TradingView is the best place to do that. But if you do want to take a trade, if you want a position, I do have the bonuses, no restriction, crypto trading bonuses here. For example, you've got on BitUnex, you've got a huge trading bonus. I'll leave the links down below. But for right now, the market is green. Meme coins are pumping too. As many of you know, there's some meme coins I like. If you want to know more about my positions, when I'm opening, when I'm closing, of course, I can't always put them on YouTube. It's time sensitive. The best place to get that is by just going in the description and joining my private Telegram trade signals in real time. Anyway, guys, stay bullish. Very, very good news for crypto. Do you believe that ETH will break its all-time high by the end of this month? Let me know in the comments.